How's it going, guys? Quickshift636 here, and you can see I am here stuck right behind a train, just waiting. Oh well, finally it's a beautiful day. There's sunshine coming through, the birds are chirping. Insert bird noise right around here somewhere. And damn, it feels so good to be back on the bike, because it's like freaking torrential rain, flooding, tornadoes. You know, we're not in Kansas anymore. Tornado like weather going on, all kinds of crazy shit happening around here. So to finally be back on the bike in a sunny day, is freaking awesome. It's freaking awesome. But we have some business to take care of, and it's very, very serious. So sit down, or you know, if you're walking, I guess keep walking. I don't know, we just got a lot of stuff to talk about, so just hang on tight and let's get into it. So this video I've been meaning to do for a while there, just never, man, just like the time never just lined up. It's this hashtag support video. So I first got turned on to this hashtag support video by the big guy, I believe, was the one who kind of turned me on to it. There's been a lot of videos that has come out since then, so forgive me if I'm incorrect with that, but I believe it was the big guy. He turned me on to this hashtag support video, and then I saw Brennan Moto make one, and then it kind of turned me over, and that's when I saw Dirty D's make his, starting this hashtag support video. And everything that Dirty D's talked about, I agree with. That, you know, to rally around a group of YouTubers, a group of content creators that maybe not have all the subscribers in the world, and not have all the likes and comments in the world, but have amazing content, and that's awesome, because for me, I would like to hope that that's what I represent, is someone that putting out quality content because I'm really passionate about it, and not worrying about numbers, they're not worrying about all that stuff, but truly trying, and just don't have the support around them like all the big motor vloggers and stuff. So that's an awesome idea that Dirty D's has started, and I'm really excited to continue to keep pushing and growing this thing bigger. Now, I myself have seen my YouTube channel, my placard, if you want, posted up on numerous guys' hashtag support channel videos, and when I first saw it for the first time, guys, I'm nobody. I'm a little guy. When I saw it, man, the excitement that freaking filled me was just crazy. And I start to think that's exactly what it's about. Dirty D's was exactly right. It's about continuing to give that support, because if you were a small channel like myself, and I was kind of down the dumps, like, oh man, I'm just not getting the views that I want, I'm not getting the support that I want. Shoot, if I felt like that before, which I didn't, but if I felt like that, seeing some guy post my channel on their video, shoot, that lit fire right on my ass, because I tell you what, I was ready to go out there and just bang out content like no other. So it works. It definitely works. It works on both sides, to help grow their channel, grow a channel, by supporting each other, like for like, subscribe, just keep pushing each other, but also to help give that person some more motivation to say, you know what, shoot, I'm passionate about this, and because I'm passionate about this, I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna be successful at this, whatever success means to you, because success not always means numbers. Numbers is, it's irrelevant if you're not happy, right? That's why there's jobs versus careers. So again, I'm really, really supportive of this hashtag support challenge, and I support this thing 100%, and I definitely suggest that you guys do the same, as I've seen all my motovlogger brothers do. I could sit here and try to name every single one of these guys that I've supported with hashtag support challenge, or I've given a like, or we have communication going, but there's really so many. There's just so many, and unfortunately I don't have a piece of paper that has all their names on it, so I apologize for all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and have all this information posted right around this region right here, of all their placards and stuff, so you guys can go check out their YouTube channels. And again, this is not just because it's a hashtag support challenge. It's not just because this is a video. These are guys that make amazing content that I want to watch all the time. And then again, I guess that's where I find another difficulty is finding time to watch it all the time. But you know, that's a whole nother issue for a whole other day. These guys make amazing content because they're genuine people, they're real people, and they're passionate about what they do. And regardless of what numbers look like, they make the content because they're excited about making this content. And that's why I want to support these guys. So all these guys that I'm gonna have their placards posted up through this YouTube video, go check them out. Give them a like, give them a subscribe, put in their content in the comment section. You know, what you enjoyed from their video. You know, what did you do in your own videos to take it to the next level? You know, that's what we need to work with each other. You know, hey, bro, how did you do that? Hey, bud, how did you do this? Let's all grow together. You know. Content's going to be content, right? Everyone can use a GoPro. You know, we can record a video. We can all try to make a good video, but it's the perspective that we're really trying to go for. You know, that's why we subscribe to individuals, because their perspective is different. Even if the content or the topic is the same, it's the perspective. So, you know, let's share all that information. Share all the information with me. I have a lot to learn, that's for damn sure. So I'm all ears when it comes to this kind of stuff. So again, guys, hashtag support your moto vloggers, support your friends, and support your moto family, because that's the only way we're going to be able to do it. Better together. Hashtag better together. So again, guys, I appreciate you guys taking the time to check this video out. You already know, baby. Quickshift636, and I'm out. Cheers.